Introducing Custom Can Electric Multi-Fill Machine for filling aerosol cans with paint. Before you begin, U-POL highly recommends the use of personal protective equipment consisting of latex or nitrile gloves, safety glasses, and an appropriate mask or adequate ventilation. Before installing and operating the machine, the user must read and understand the instruction manual supplied with the unit. As this is an electric machine with sensitive electronic components, it should be handled with care. If the machine arrives with hopper unattached, it is very easy to assemble. The machine is supplied with a standard plug that should be connected to a separate, clean power supply source, preferably run direct from the distribution board. The machine must be earthed. Adjust the device for holding the aerosol can by pulling the lever to locate the valve and lock into place, and then twisting 90 degrees to ensure it's secure. U-POL custom cans can have up to 100 milliliters added to them. To set the timer to ensure the correct dose, turn the timer to position 2 and dose into the empty measuring cup. Adjust timer as necessary to achieve 100 milliliters. With the time set, you know that 100 milliliters will be pumped each time, so now you can fill multiple cans of the same color. Place the aerosol can, nozzle removed, on platform and pull handle upwards to locate can against coupling on pump. The handle must be fully locked and can tight in position. The on-off switch on side panel is used when you've set time to correct level for 100 milliliters of paint. Switch on the unit and it will pump the paint from the hopper into the can. At the end of the cycle, the machine stops, then does a very small reverse action. Now switch off and remove the can and then repeat process for multiple cans. The can should be weighed to ensure correct fill level. If the can is underweight, then top up and weigh again. If you forget to switch off after cycle, then put new can in and switch off. Turning it back on, it may not always start cycle. Wait a few seconds and try again. This is a safety feature to avoid double fill on the can. Cleaning and maintenance. To clean the unit after use, add suitable cleaning solvent to the hopper. A brush can be used to stir the solvent around inside the hopper to remove residue from sides. Add an empty cleaning can, as you would a normal aerosol can, in place under pump. Run the machine as you would to fill normal can and repeat process till machine is clean. To ensure no foreign particles are in the hopper, for the final clean, a lint-free cloth may be used to wipe it down. This machine is virtually maintenance-free. Simply keep the machine clean. Paint spills on the stainless steel and aluminium surfaces can be cleaned away using a lint-free cloth, a mild detergent or cleaning solvents. Paint not being pumped. In the rare case where a foreign particle gets into the hopper and it stops working, ensure machine is switched off and check the hopper to ensure nothing has been dropped in. For example, any bit of plastic or paper. Clean any contamination. If the machine is still not pumping the paint, contact your local U-POL representative.